Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the audio path. Open Audio MIDI Setup and set your interface to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz because matching rates prevents resampling delays. Once done, pick the same device in Garageband's audio/MIDI preferences so input and output align. Make sure Bluetooth headphones are off since they add latency. Use wired monitors. Finally, close unused apps that use audio because CPU contention increases buffer underruns and adds delay. You now tackle buffer and monitoring. Open GarageBand preferences and lower the I/O buffer size to 128 or 64 samples to reduce round-trip latency. Note that smaller buffers increase CPU load. Once set, use direct monitoring on your interface for zero latency input when available and disable software monitoring unless you need plugin monitoring. If CPU spikes, freeze or bounce tracks with heavy plugins so the system can maintain smaller buffers without glitches. You finish by optimizing plugins and running final checks. Replace high latency effects with low latency alternatives and turn off look-ahead on Dynamics processors because those add buffered delay. Once done, close background apps, ensure energy saver or low power mode is off, and free RAM so GarageBand has headroom. Finally, test with a fresh project and a known good cable and interface to confirm the problem is solved. If latency remains, try reinstalling drivers or resetting GarageBand preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.